I am your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool parrot. Alright, a nice cool parrot sitting on a perch with a circle around it, and you can even hold it like that. Okay, and this is how you do it. I'm going to be using an orange balloon. You can use whatever color you want for your parrot. And you're going to take your pump and you're going to blow it up basically all the way, maybe just leaving a tiny little nub. Yeah, just about like that, okay? Right there, right to the end, there's a tiny little nub there, but not much. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pinch off a little bit, let some air out, and tie her off. Then you're going to give it a squeeze. Run your hand through the end of it a couple times, and now you're ready to start to make your parrot. So first thing we're going to want to do is make a 1-inch bubble like that. That's going to be the beak. Then we're going to do the head. So the head is going to be about 2.5 inches like that. Then we're going to tie the end into the beak, the face like that, and tuck it in the middle. Bring it, tuck it through the other side like that. So we have our parrot beak and her face there, like that. Okay, then what we're gonna want to do is give it a squeeze all the way down and bring the end now, which is completely full, and bring it around like this, so that what we're essentially doing is we're gonna have the body right here of the body, this part, and then the tail, this part. So we want a little longer, about right there, leave about that much, and then tie it, twist it together. And now you're looking at like this. Then you bring this part down, and right here, we're gonna make the parrot. This is gonna be the tail down here, so you gotta leave some for that. Twist that together. And now we're definitely looking like just tuck this in there so it's nice and clean. Then we have our parrot there. So now what we want to do is bring the ring up around the side so our parrot is sitting inside the ring like this. I'll show you in a sec. Just adjust it, and the tail. And there we have the parrot sitting with its tail right here inside the ring. Now we just want to draw some eyes, and we are done. So I will do that, and then I'll show you what I've done. And there we have the parrot eyes, and now we are completely done, and that is the parrot. And remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.